Welcome back. We have a beautiful 2024 Mercedes Benz GLS 580. So we get this question all the time. What makes us different from anyone else? And it really comes down to three simple facts. So we use the best products in the market. We have the best technicians that went through regular training. And one of our technicians have over 20 years of experience. And the third one and most important one is that we pay attention to detail. We don't only succeed, but we definitely make it right when that doesn't happen. So that gives us a leg up. So our products, they speak for themselves. And many of our customers, after they experience and see it for themselves, they always say it was worth every penny. So with the right products, it's easy to deliver a top-notch result. So on this particular car, it's going to have the Ultimate Armor package. That basically means that Ceramic Pro PPF is going to be applied on the bumper, headlights, mirrors, hood, fenders, and partial A pillars, which is most likely where you're going to get the rock chips, and the rest of it is going to be Ceramic Pro Ion 7-year. So let's take a look at the transformation. All right, first things first, we get this all the time. They say because it's a brand new car, that means the paint is perfect, which is not true. The paint is hardly perfect. Usually has a lot of imperfections, even in brand new cars and anything from a Honda Civic to a Rolls Royce. So the first thing we do is polish it. This will ensure us that the paint is as good as it's going to get. So in this particular case, so the PPF can be applied in the rest of the vehicle, so the ceramic coating will be looking at its best. All right, let's move to the second step, which is the paint protection film application. To be exact, the Ceramic Pro Paint Protection Film application. This is the latest generation of paint protection film. Gives you better resistance, gives you better hydrophobicity, and more importantly, gives you the ultimate clarity. So you won't be able to tell the difference between the parts that are ceramic coated and the parts that have PPF. All right? Let's jump in and see how it gets installed.
Jack it up.
Welcome back. We are in the third and final step. Here, our technician, Greg, he is applying the Ceramic Pro Ion. What coat are you on? He is doing the base right now. So he'll finish applying the base, he'll wait around half hour, and then he'll start applying the top coat, and this ride will be fully protected. Finally, it is completely transformed, and more importantly, is protected for the summer and the winter that is coming. So we have completed the whole front end is paint protection film, and then the rest is 7-year Ceramic Pro Ion coating. However, the customer also wanted a little bit of interior protection as well. So we did ceramic window tints. So now the interior and most importantly, the passengers will be protected. So this baby is ready to hit the road. If you like our content, let us know what would you like to see next. But most importantly, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next adventure.